Hello viewers, today I am showing you 7 new Outlook features rolling out this August and July. Quick, practical and all on screen. Before we start, enable offline email in setting. If you will use PST files, add one here. Here is the first upgrade. PST support is better. When you add a PST file, you can now open contact detail directly from it. I will check the sender and the archive email and their contact card appear. This is especially handy for migrations and old archives. The second feature, organize folder while offline. Next, Outlook lets you organize folders offline. Here I will create a new folder, rename it, move a message and delete it. All without internet. As I reconnect, everything synchronizes automatically. The third feature, attachment summarized by Copilot. Copilot can now summarize attachment directly in the reading pane. Here is a Word file. One click and I get the key points. It is a huge time saver for long documents. The fourth feature, reply to option when sending. Need replies to go somewhere else? When composing, open message options and set one or more reply to addresses. Now replies will land in the inbox you choose. The fifth feature, find text with Ctrl+F. Finally, Ctrl+F work inside long emails. Press it, type a term and jump through matches without leaving the message. The sixth feature, shared mailbox are simpler than before. From the folder pane, just add the shared mailbox. It appears instantly. Or use the new shared with me page in setting to view, hide or remove access. And when composing, you can send directly from that shared mailbox. The seventh feature, open attachments while offline. And here is a big upgrade. Attachment now open and save offline. Open an email with an attachment while online so it's synchronized. Now I will turn off Wi-Fi and the file still opens. You can also save it offline, perfect for flight or weak connection. That is the latest in the new Outlook for Windows. Which feature will save you the most time? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Outlook tips. Thanks for watching.